In this video we are going to see about terminal commands. For example, in here you can able to do whatever you want. You can switch the things and based upon the commands itself. This is very useful when you are using Mac or Linux. So in this video I am going to work on Mac. So once you want to clear all those commands, you just clear it and enter it. The command is clear or clear, and then if you want to move to any other directories, so in here I'm in my folder. So ls I'm giving in this folder what are the directories are there we can able to find. So for that command is ls. So I'm entering in here, I'm able to see that what are those things will be here. So just I'm giving ls. See, Android Studio projects and downloads, pictures, applications, everything is here. So if I want to move to change the directory, in the sense you can do cd space and then you can type something of 2 to 3 letters and you can press tab. If you pressing tab, then you can able to find that Android project is came. If you want downloads inside, so you can just click that devo, then you can click the tab, it will come. Sometimes it won't come based upon some kind of matching is there, because downloads has devo and documents also having devo. So for that it get confused, you are asking documents or downloads. So for that you need to give a unique name up to this. So we can go with Android project. So I'm giving tab, you can able to press it. Now you are in inside your folder, you are in Android Studio project. So in here you want to find what are the directories are there, you can give ls. So while clicking on this, you can able to see here only one is there, my application. So I'm going to my application. So cd my application. In this you can able to find this, there are many properties, like actually I'm working in a React Native, so in this there are some directories are there. So based upon you can go through it. So if you want to came out of it, cd dot you came out of from my application, then cd dot will came off from Android Studio project. So now I can go to cd awesome project. Yes, in this you can able to find many directories are there. If you're feeling this is more congested, then you can give the clear options to clear everything. In this you can able to find that. So in his this need to open in Android Studio, in the sense you can give code space dot and enter it, it will automatically open this in Android Studio. So in here you can able to find all the files are opened there, you can close it here as well. So you can, these are some commands which is mainly used for it. And also some commands I'm sharing this. One is cd is for changing directory, and then pewt for print working directory, and these are some commands which we are using in throughout. And we can mkdir is creating a new directory, rmdir is removing an empty directory. So those kind of things, many things are there. Mostly we will use this only. ls in the sense you can list all those things. cd in the sense you can change the directory based upon it, and also you want to copy paste in the sense cp command, copy files or directories, and you can move to that some other there, and then you can paste it there. You can move and rename it, and also you can remove, delete it based upon rm commands. So I will prettify this and then I will share in comment section. If you have any doubts, please ping me in comment section, I will help you to reach out this. Thanks for watching, please subscribe channel.